And I'm supposed to share this beer with Nancy, and she's behind the camera at the moment. Please come and take. You see? Yeah? Nancy's an alco. I entice her with a beer. This is what you're supposed to be fucking looking at, you monkeys. Not some fucking pasted thing made by a fucking AI. How else are you going to learn what a human being is supposed to act like? They're giving you perfection that you can't fucking pick up. I'm not trashing him completely, but it's just not real. It's not authentic. And you're trying to become authentic through something that's not authentic. It's completely mechanical. Wake up. Please wake up. We need human beings like me all over the fucking place, waking people up, using us as examples, physically looking at us and touching us and coming in contact with us and seeing how we deal with issues. Smoky, Smoky in Holland. Smoky. Let's go for Smoky. I've had a great fucking time. And my little jokes and stuff, I carry them with me in my life. And I go through them occasionally, and me and my missus crack a joke.